During the development of over 20 years, Zhang Liming has always adhered to leading the industry by innovation and building a platform of values with strategic partners in different fields. In the future, the company will continue to deepen the corporate spirit of dedication, unity, innovation, and win-win, taking brand, marketing, resource, talent, technology, and product as the core driving force. Speed up the deployment and occupation of market permeation. Aim to comprehensively lead in products, application, and service, and try to build a machinery manufacturer enterprise with first-class talent, products, and services. Commit to becoming the most powerful enterprise in the manufacturer industry of continuous cold roll forming machine. Zhang Liming, a professional manufacturer of cold roll forming complete equipment in China.